Arahosama esi ewa Ghana ha say eye sunwan abisim eye abrante bi a watimi eku emofre twetwa omo e de omahye frigim asami akwada ne arahosama Ghana fo ebobo ho a police for guswa de omohwehwemu egu akwan mu ehuni enti abrante ebeye service amafo pi na nkasa ente ase ono ankasa mponi step brother watimi ekunu e de aka ho eba asa no Ghana fo akasa empanifo mokrom ha de omano atum na ye prophet Kofi Oduro ono so akire na adwen e de afasanse mu akansem bebre na e de afa ho na ono kra da ene nwanwa ene wo kire mu se be 2 weeks ne wona ye ni so de watibi pa wo hwe niema e koso nkrofo mu wu ene ensema ye to social media no so asefem owie enso no ka kire Ghana fo special emano so obia enhwe ne huye na mre wo mi enyemre pa mema mekasa enwa ye nkoti ne nsem okan emra
woni patimi tena se opedenchem bodwuma na wode yakumu bi obi timi twa obi hye ni fridge. You are living in dangerous times. You are living in a dangerous time. Obi timi hwe ni nuanim no de sika to ni minim papa sofo panimu sofo pani obi ya wedi 63 years enka ye hu na papa I salute you sir. Eni die na ye de ama papa sofo utimi kosofo fie de sika nkotwa ne tisa akoko enye mwa se bu wusam ponche bu wusam kramai this I have wept for the past 2 weeks. I am looking at the obituaries of young people 26 29. And when you look at these guys, there is a preacher that will be buried next Saturday 39 ages like that. What is wrong? Because when you break the hedge, the serpents will bite. The hedges have been broken. Upe obi kunu unche, upe obi yire unche, ufa krono die unche, udiye unche adwen fi adwen monite umo unche memfa ho tongs no awobon. Memfa ho tongs no amobon. You can clap those hands. Give Jesus glory. Etwitwo obi ne de na hye fridge. Hwe wonu yanim waso na be mu na de second twa. Ade rubber achichere ho na de hye fridge. Se wo be riu, se wo be mini, se wo be no achi atoto ahu. It is just up to you. Wonu ya be ma na wo de second twa. Ade rubber achichere ho hye fridge. These people no mo tete ka kase mu na wani briwe yi. I'm sick. The be a catch young girls. If you know I'm for Wakuma Magana Ponche. A ponche so watch him. I said, you're very no, or very Robin in Naka. Ganam Ponche. This is what they will do. I'm telling you. Now, when and I'm going to tell you 5 things this morning. Now, when I know you're boy, serious. And when Jesus was preaching, on that particular thing, he said, be careful that no man deceive you. Deception will be on the very height. It will come from politics, it will go to church, it will go to the marketplace, it will go to the corporate world, and all that kind of thing. It will be in business, and all that deception will be there. People will be deceivers. Wo preacher near me ye boy ya what you can grow 40 o call what radio so no Kenya msemu eti enyo obi a what radio so kekam nyo obi a ogina bonten so kekam nyo obi a wate asore nyo obi a tia ne ye wan go to fidiem. I'm serious. Yeah. One go to him, and he said very clearly in verse number 5. He said in verse number 5. He said, "For many shall come in my name. They will come in my name. They shall deceive many, and they will say, I am Christ." They say, I am Christ. That kind of thing. I am Jesus Christ. Look at verse number 6. And they proceed further, and ye shall hear wars and rumors of wars. Look at what is going on in Afghanistan right now. There is no nation that is miserable, not even Yemen, as Afghanistan right now. That, you know, when I look at the pictures on the television, people falling off from planes because the Taliban is in town, and the Taliban will kill you. Taliban tese Boko Haram or Chido Wabaya 11 years or Betonemona, they don't care. Obetimi a you on Sunagu Abontene. You know, they are wicked people.
Abusan for Kofi Oduro and I yet sending count on so na adwen e de afa ensemi a e kosu na sansem we akwadane arehosemi pa Ghana for bebre na nkasa ebenum krompo esusu se e was a brand tempa so company for sign na yekuni bi no hu se wiase wo hoi wo yoyonko ade ya na yie pa before se metwa so e de amamo no na me kai mo se Koda group of company on the pills be abedja my so slim fast and offense flat tummy pills. Wo ho na oso pese oso ntene mpo wonso na pese o figure no maintaining the same and also betumi enya bi anom ebe benefit be when you pedue sounds na wafuso o pese so ntene flat tummy pills ni bia eno so no ma strade be when you pedue ni makogina ye funu ni nyina so ebe na ne kama wenyem ada ho fa na bana from do bi apeno sa betumi aka obetumi so follow e wo social media oko Facebook akoda group and our friends ko Instagram akoda_group from one as a test your more in shemu bi a open won sa ebetumi aka sansem we yanka said ye ni edieche because areho asefe minim de ntia bra you go betumi aye bibisa ye beka ye a eye sunwa bisim hene beka bibisa brante no em se bibi enkoyi e wona adwum na so Ghana for so there bi mo meka bibisa every say there why no entwa ye foforo bi aba ho anasempo updates bi beba no mesan so e de abramo meden ene ka chire na akusemakram
eba mema hwemu dia Dr. Amuzu ye na Africa ha nyina yaji ya atum oba ya hwe honom a ye sanyare wa bebre na yare wa ya Ghana fo agi ya atum atre Africa ha nyina ye mema hu yade na esa enti bema bi a otemi a de kan so owo weak erection no bema no sori a emunye dene odi ko banase ya na adwo de esa ko no early ejaculation se uni oba ko impaswa enche no ho asane wo obu a na bema se bi afon aikituwa bi obi de so atwe akom na enam enyini nti prostate abesuye ebe obi ehweme wanya prostate wakoye process adwiri ye free honom menne ne bema na mpeja biom wo low sperm count wo sperm se bi ni mukura ni nyina oba Dr. Amuzu ebe buawo yaso ye ne wo Kumasi Tafu Club 600 yejuma from Monday to Monday anopa nonson ejongo fe nyumre lumnifa Dr. Amuzu Herbal Clinic Mauji Hiochalo